Yo, what's up guys? So attend tayo ng Christmas party namin ngayon. Ito outfit ko ngayon. Hindi makita yung buo eh. So late na kami ni Mama. Supposed to be alas 4 yung Christmas party doon, pero alas 5 na. Hindi ko makatok pa, wait lang.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
So dito
I
na
don't
kami
think
guys.
so. No, 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 no.
Nakalimutan ko yung mic ko.
Maybe someday you'll have it your way.
Ay, mga barangay staff namin.
Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Hindi naman ako kandidato eh. Hindi naman ako barangay officials, hindi naman ako konsehan ng bayan. Pero sasambak yung aking solicitation. Pero gusto ko naman na kahit pa paano, dahil mapagbigyan. So,
Hey.
Yes, next.
Hey.
Sino daw namuno? Okay na. Okay.
Black leader, Elizabeth Javier.
5.
Pwede mo ba ito pagka-insider? Lahat kayo na siya. Dahil naloloko na ako, kaya kukwenta na na. Pagka naman kayo naman na pag-usap.
Yakap ako.
Anim sa puno.
Wala po sa ating mga lubon.
So, kakain na tayo. So, bye-bye. Alis na kami ni Mama. Hindi, ano ko na lang, dalhin ko na lang sa sasakyan. Dadalhin ko na nga lang dito. Bye-bye. So guys, andito na ako kay Cody.
What's up, guys?
Tapos magsisimba kami dito sa Quiapo. Sinundo namin siya sa kanilang bahay. So ayan na nga, magsisimba kami for the blessings. At nanalo ako kanina sa blessing atay, blessing costume, ganon. Tapos na punot ako sa raffle kanina. worth 100 pesos kami ni Mama.
Yeah, so many blessings.
So maraming blessings talaga. Thank you Lord. Thank you so much. Thank you Cody.
That's why we're gonna go to the Simba.
Yeah, kaya magsisimba ako para magpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon. So mamaya na lang ulit.
See you.
Bye-bye. Nagpasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga blessing na binigay sa akin. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, and it's also celebration for my dad's birthday.
Oo. Hi, happy birthday Jeff.
Happy birthday, Dad. Happy
Yan yung
birthday,
birthday ni Jeff ngayon.
Yeah. Later, pa.
At 12.
Still 11.
Okay, sasalubungin namin yung birthday ni Jeff ngayon. Or celebration. So, andito na kami sa McDonald's.
Yeah,
Ito
we're
yung
gonna-
pinili ni Cody.
No? No? I don't have fitness.
Ako
No,
kasi
but
KFC.
There's KFC across the street. You want to eat there?
Ayun lang oh, yung KFC nasa likod. Di ba?
It's fine naman.
O, di ba? KFC. Ah.
The McFlurry is good here naman.
Wala kasing salad dito, oy.
Yeah, but there's McFlurry.
I like the salad lang.
Yeah, the only place with salad is Wendy's.
Okay.
There you can order.
Mas spicy. Code, what's your order daw?
The one you usually buy.
Sa akin yung Max Spicy. Happy birthday, Jeff! It's 12 na.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday! So, anong wish mo, Code?
I wish that he's blessed with health and a lot of money. And that he gets better and he becomes the best version of himself this year.
Good health, Jeff. Forever. So guys, birthday ni Jeff ngayon, 12 na. And then ngayon na kami magpapaalam. Salamat sa suporta sa inyo. Salamat sa mga nanonood and i-greet ko.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.